Thanks, Denise. Still on track and field, the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is now a little over a day away, and defending girls champions Edwin Allen are confident that the title will be making its way back to Clarendon come April 9. For the past 7 years, the Asa Girls Champs title has resided in Chapelton, Clarendon, as the light blue and white strips have not been removed since 2014. Another polished display at Central Champs last month underlines the strength of this Edwin Allen team, and Captain Leanna Lewis has no plans of relinquishing the title.
I don't think I feel any pressure towards other schools that will be coming towards us, because we are champions. We know what to do from time and time again, and 8 championships, I think we have that, and we know what to do. We are winners.
The 100-meter Class 1 clash between the Clayton twins and Heidel's Brenna Liston will no doubt be on the front pages of local newspapers come Wednesday morning. But even with Liston getting one up on Tia Clayton at Central Champs, the sisters are confident heading into Champs.
I think that you can expect us to be in the final for which event that we are going to be doing at the Champs, and to be among the medals, because I think that we have worked a lot and work hard to get there.
And both Tina and Tia have the full backing of head coach Michael Dyke.
The twins are big performers and they always deliver on the day, and I'm really expecting them to do what they always do, is to go out and perform at their best. Regardless of the results, they are, as I said, 2 girls who are very motivated and will perform regardless of the time of the day.
And despite talks about the strength of Heidel High coming into Champs, Dyke is confident of retaining the title.
Well, we are the defending girls champion, and we have been doing that for the past 8 years, and this year will be no different. We are going once again to defend our title and return the trophy to Edwin Allen.
Edwin Allen girls are searching for their 9th hold on the Champs title. And St. Catherine High School has been steadily building a track and field program, and it's paying dividends as the girls finished 6th at the 2021 staging of Champs and 5th at the recently concluded Central Championships. Looking to be a new powerhouse in track and field, the aim is a top 5 finish at the end of the week. The team's co-captain is Kitania Headley, who is ready to lead the charge and deliver big in the Class 2 800 meters.
In the 800, as long as I trust God's timing, do what I'm supposed to do, continue training hard, my chances will be very high. It can also be very high for me going for the record.
Across Class 2 is where they are aiming to score a majority of their points, and sprinter hurdler Ashara Hewlett is up to delivering.
So far is going well. I've been listening to my coach's instruction, executing my race. But I'm working on it and getting there, and I'll be ready for Champs.
As sprinter Michael and Linda doesn't just want to be among the points, she wants a medal.
I know that I can do it, and I will do it, and I know that I'm going to be on the podium.
The Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be live and exclusive on TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com with continuous radio coverage on Hits 92 FM and Power 106.